Welcome to Beta Online Learning. This is a fairly hard problem to solve for the 8th grade CBSE Mathematics on the topic Algebraic Identities and Factorization. Here's the problem definition. Here's the question. Divide 63 into, within brackets, we have p power 4 plus 5p cubed minus 24p squared within the brackets by 9p into p plus 8 within the brackets. Let us go to the solution of the problem. Step 1. This question can be written in the form of a fraction as 63 into p power 4 plus 5p cubed minus 24p squared whole divided by 9p into p plus 8 within brackets. Now, we express division. The division of the dividend should come in the numerator and the divisor should be in the denominator. This is what we have to do first. While dividing an algebraic expression by another algebraic expression, we do that first. First, we express it as a fraction in the form of numerator by denominator. Dividend in the numerator and the divisor in the denominator. Step 2. Factorize the numerator by taking out the common factor p squared and cancelling 9p with 63p squared as we have done here. 63p squared has been, 63 was there. Now we have taken additionally, we have taken p squared in the numerator and the remaining terms within brackets will be p squared plus 5p minus 24. Whole divided by the denominator remains unchanged as 9p into p plus 8 within brackets. And also we do the simplification, cancelling 9 with 63 to give 7. We know that 9 into 7 is 63. So 9 into 7, so 7 you will get, and p squared is cancelled with p. You have p in the denominator and p squared in the numerator. So we'll have 1p in the numerator. So 7p into p squared plus 5p minus 24 whole divided by the denominator becomes p plus 8 now. Step 3. This is an important step where the manipulation takes place. Consider the trinomial within brackets in the numerator alone. We take the numerator, p squared, that is what we have here, p squared plus 5p within the brackets, minus 24, p squared plus 5p minus 24. This can be factorized using the algebraic identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared minus a plus b of x into x plus ab. This is the distributive property of simplification, of multiplication over addition. This is called the distributive property. We obtain this expression by the distributive property. X squared plus the middle term is the sum of the two factors into x plus the last term, the third term is the product of the two factors. We will get AB there. By splitting the middle term as the 5p is the middle term here, so it should be the sum of two factors. We split the middle term 5p as 8p minus 3p. 8 minus 3 is 5, so p squared plus 8p minus 3p minus 24. How did we get this 8 and 3? Let us see that. Taking the product term as minus 24, you know that AB, no? That identity we have a AB. So that is the minus 24. And finding two factors such that their algebraic sum is plus 5. By algebraic sum, we mean we take into consideration the sign, the plus and the minus signs. And we add the two factors to numbers and we will get the resulting sign should be positive plus. We put the sign of the greater number as plus. That is what it means. We get minus 24. Since the product is a negative number, one factor should be plus and the other factor should be minus to get the resulting product as minus 24, negative 24. So we have plus 8 and minus 3 because we know that 8 into 3 is 24. We factorize the two terms, the factor, the 24 as 8 into 3. And it is plus 8 because the greater factor, the greater number should have a plus sign so that it is plus 5p, no? So that is why we should get a plus sign there. And a negative 3, a minus 3 there. So we split the middle term as p squared plus 8p minus 3p minus 24. So a trinomial has 3 terms and we have split the middle term into 2 factors and we get 4 terms now. After getting these 4 terms, we can easily group them, the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms, as we can factorizing it easily. So in the first 2 terms, p squared plus 8p, we can take the p as common factor. P into, within brackets, we can put that p plus 8 there. And in the last 2 terms, we can take a minus 3 outside. Because there's no p term in the 24. So there is only one factor that is common, that is p, 3. 3 is common, so minus 3 has been taken out. And within brackets, the sign inside will have to change because we have introduced a negative sign. We have taken out a negative sign and the sign inside the bracket will change to plus. It was minus 24 there. We have taken 8 outside, so it becomes plus 8 here within brackets. This is a very important rule called the bracket rule. When you take a negative sign outside, the sign inside the bracket will change. So we get p into p plus 8 minus 3 into p plus 8. Now we have a p plus 8 common in both the terms. So we take it out. P plus 8 has been taken out. And the remaining terms, p and minus 3, p minus 3 will be put in the remaining bracket, the next bracket. So we get 2 factors now, p plus 8 into p minus 3. So we have factorized p squared plus 5p minus 24 as p plus 8 into p minus 3. This is the third step. In step 4, you have to simplify the expression to obtain the final answer. This is the final step. 7p into p squared plus 5p minus 24 by p plus 8 is what we have. P squared plus 5p minus 24, we have already factorized as p plus 8 into p minus 8. We will now 7p into p plus 8 into p minus 3 in the numerator. And the denominator, we have only p plus 8. Cancelling the term p plus 8 in the numerator and denominator, we will be getting a very simplified answer as 7p into p minus 3 within brackets. A fairly complex or hard problem has been simplified to a very easy, a simplified expression 7p into p minus 3, which is the required answer. Hope you understood this. Thank you. Best wishes from Beta Online Learning.